Today our topic in Microsoft Excel is illustrations. Illustrations mean to add a picture, to add a chart or graph, to add some shapes or this type of things, or to elaborate our text. As we have heard that a picture speaks 1,000 words. A picture can explain data in a better manner. So illustrations are added in Microsoft Office applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint to add this type of things. First of all, I'm going to add some picture over here on my Microsoft Excel sheet. For this purpose, I will go to illustrations, and the first command is picture. We have three methods of adding a picture on Microsoft Excel sheet. The first method is this device. This device means this computer contains some sort of picture and we want to add that picture on our page. For that purpose, I will go to illustration, I will click picture and this device. After clicking this device button, Microsoft Excel will allow us to browse a picture from our computer. For example, I'm going to browse the downloads. Here I have got some pictures. For example, I need this picture to be added on my Excel sheet. I just clicked on my picture and click insert, and the picture is added on my Excel sheet. I can move it to any position on my sheet. I can resize it. To resize this picture, I will click at any corner of the picture and drag it out. It will make it larger in size. I can click any corner of the picture and drag it inwards. It will resize it to a smaller size. If you want to remove the picture from your sheet, just click on the border of the picture and press delete button from the keyboard. It will be removed from your Excel sheet. Now, the second method for adding the picture is the stock image. Stock images are those images which have been added in Microsoft Excel 2021 only. Okay, you can't find this option in the earlier versions of Microsoft Excel. So go to stock images. You will find a lot of stock images relevant to Microsoft Excel here. In this library works when your computer is online. Otherwise, you can't add these pictures on your sheet. It contains images, icons, cutout people, stickers, illustrations, cartoon people. For example, I need a cutout of peoples. I need to show a teacher here who is explaining the topic. This person is a teacher, I think, and I've added his picture on my sheet. It will download the picture from internet, so it will take a little bit time. You need to wait for it. Depends upon speed of internet on your computer, how long it takes to download picture. So you have seen that our teacher is downloaded on our sheet here. You can resize this according to the requirement. If you need to resize it, you can resize it. You can also, if you want to rotate it, you can click here and rotate in any direction. If you want to remove that picture, just click on the borders of the picture and press delete button for your keyboard. Now, the third method is click online pictures. Online pictures will take you to Bing search or Microsoft search. Here you must have Microsoft account signed in to your computer. If you don't have your account signed in, it will not search for Bing pictures. For example, I need a picture relevant to result, as this is a result sheet. So I type the keyword result. It will search the relevant image. You can see many pictures showing the keyword result. You can add any of them you want on your page. Just click on the picture and click insert. It will add the picture on your worksheet. Here you can see a fine picture saying results. If you don't want it, just click on the border of the picture and press delete button for your keyboard. Now the next command is shapes. Shapes contain many of the shapes that may be used for elaboration of something. For example, it contains arrow lines, it contains rectangles, circles, ovals, and many other types of shapes. If you want to draw any of these shapes, just click on the shape, drag it on your page. It will be drawn on your sheet. Now if you want to change the color, fill or outline of the picture, just select the style as you want. For example, I need it to be in this color. You can change the color from shape fill button also. You can choose the shape fill of your choice. You can also choose the shape outline color. It will be shown in the outermost of the picture. You can see it clearly when you zoom it. Now if you want to add some text on this shape, just right click on the shape and click edit text. It will allow you to write some text on your picture. You can type text over here. Also, if you don't want this shape, just click on the border of the shape and press delete. The next one is icon and 3D models. These are also new in Microsoft Excel 2021, not found in the earlier versions. Icons contains different types of icons. Let's see what icons are added here. You can see you can choose any of these icons you want on your sheet. Just click the icon, and for example, in cricket we often use this icon when someone bowls at 0. Okay, so we show a duck in front of that batsman. So this is a duck icon. You can choose any of these icons, but icons will also be added when your computer is connected to internet. Okay, the next one is 3D models. 3D models are also new in Microsoft Excel 2021. You can choose stock 3D models from here. It contains many of the 3D models. For example, it contains animated animals, it contains education icons, it contains emojis, chemistry icons, physics icons, and you can choose any of these domains. For example, I need some icon relevant to education, so I choose education category here, and you can see that it is showing me the 3D icons which can be used to elaborate the purpose of education. I need this icon. I just clicked at the icon. It will be inserted on our sheet. After adding the icon, this icon is 3D. You can move it to any direction. This is not like a simple picture, okay? But it also needs some time to be downloaded because it needs internet connection on your computer. These icon also contains world maps. You can add world map shapes and this type of things on your sheet also. So our 3D icon is added over here. You can see it is dancing, and you can change the direction of this person also in any direction. This is 3D icon. Okay, so this is a new and interesting feature in Microsoft Excel 2021. You can remove it also. Just click on the border of the icon and press delete button. The next one is Smartart. Smartart contains Smartart graphic shapes. Like I want to draw this pyramid, this hierarchy. You can choose any of them. For example, I choose this pyramid, and I'm going to choose this one and click OK. Now we want to show a managerial hierarchy of an organization over here. To add, for example, I say it will be top management, then it will show the middle management, and then the staff is called the front line. Okay, this diagram shows the managerial hierarchy of a organization. If you want to remove it, just click on the border of the button and press delete. And the last illustration is screenshot. Screenshot is also an important thing over here. For example, I need the picture of something, this logo, on my sheet, and I want to add it by screenshot. I just open it in the background. I will go to screenshot and I will choose screenshot. From here it will be added on my page. If you have visited some website and you need a screenshot of text from there, you can also take the screenshot. In the similar manner, you can take a screenshot of your own screen also. How? You will go to screenshot option and choose screen clipping and click and drag the portion you want to be added on your page. It will bring a screenshot of that picture, like you take the screenshot of your screen of mobiles. Okay, so this was screenshot. Next one is Addin. Addin is an additional ability. If you want to add some extra features in Microsoft Excel from internet, you can choose the option add-ins. To get add-ins, just click here, get add-ins. It will go to add-in library of Microsoft Excel. For example, I need some add-in relevant to mathematics. Here you can see the add-ins: Wikipedia, ScriptLab, Power BI, Visio, mobile data, translator, calendar data picker, and I need component that is relevant to maths. I will type maths here. Microsoft Excel will search the math add-ins. Okay, so quick calculator, range calculator, formula forge, these all are math add-ins, additional commands that can help me to solve my mathematical formulas in Microsoft Excel. For example, this formula forge is a very important feature when we solve derivatives or integration type of questions in Microsoft Excel. Excel does not have any feature that can solve this type of questions. We have to add it from add-ins library. To add this, just I will click add button and it will be installed in Microsoft Excel, and you will get an additional feature in Microsoft Excel 2021 that can add the derivatives and integration features. You can choose any type of add-in from your add-in library. Now formula forge is added to Microsoft Excel. You can solve it from here. This is formula forge. It needs a formula to be resolved. You will type an integration formula or derivative formula or a question. It will solve it for you and add it to your sheet. That's all for today.